You join me with the cheapest 6-core processor machine you can build today. And the red accent on the front is a dead giveaway that we are dealing with something from AMD here. Although definitely not Ryzen class performance. This is how it started out in a busted old NCR box. Just needed something to put the micro ATX motherboard in. As you can see, not best condition areas. Even had to figure out the pinouts myself because this is a OEM Acer board. That's all part of the fun and game. So let's have a look and see what we're working with here. Very basic setup. Still running the smallest stock cooler you can find for that triple core Phenom that's currently in there now. We'll have a look at the specs shortly. Not much was cleaned on the board, just set it up, got it running. My attempt at cable management there. Might pop in an SSD in the future. We'll see how things goes. And it's currently got 8 gigs of RAM. Might also take it up to 16. So I'm logging in remotely just so we can have a look at the specs. Don't have a monitor on the machine right now. So currently we are sitting with a Phenom 2 X3 triple core 2.6 gigahertz, and I think our upgrade today is going to be a nice and substantial one. We'll see the CPU is maxed out because we are running World Community Grid. It's actually a very nice stress test for a machine and does some good. Also heats up the office a bit. 48 degrees you'll see at the bottom there the CPU is running at, so not bad for stock cooling. Then again, this is a 100 watt processor, which was not a lot considered at the time. This is what we will be using today. A cheap 92mm cooler with red LEDs, obviously a requirement since we're dealing with AMD here, and an AliExpress processor. This is the cheapest 6-core I could find. So let's get cracking. Nice and gooey. That heat paste is obviously no good anymore. Pro tip, clean off the heat paste while the CPU is still in the socket. Yeah, you got your fingers dirty there, so. There we go, doubling our core count just like that. So for the first run, I am not going to assemble that massive cooling tower just yet, just running it with the stock cooler, no heat paste. Just want to get into the BIOS and see that this processor actually posts and all is well. And we're off, and I missed the delete key, so we're booting into Windows. A few resets later and we ended up in the BIOS, and we can see this is indeed what we paid for. So let's start building that fancy cooler of ours. Prepare for one of the most ungracious one-handed unboxings. Now that is unboxing. That manual is very useful because this cooler can work on an extremely wide variety of processors from both Intel and AMD, so do read everything it says. You are definitely going to need it. And peel off that sticker. Just checking there. It fits. Perfect. So in this part we are removing the current retention bracket, and I had to loosen the motherboard from the motherboard post because the cutout at the back of the case was not big enough to undo the top bolts. But now that we've got everything in a more or less janky fashion going here, it's time to take this bad boy out. So we are attaching the AMD legs to the cooler. It comes with two sets of legs, one for Intel, one for AMD. And the AMD legs has two settings, one for AM4, which is the default, and then one for everything else it supports. Taking off the fan there, and now it's time to set up that retention bracket. Now this retention bracket gets used for both the AMD and the Intel processors. You've got two legs basically, and each leg has got different settings based on what CPU socket you're going to use. So I'm setting this up for FM2 AM3. Success, hooray! So our motherboard is back in place, the retention bracket is there, and we are just going to apply some heat paste. And then this upgrade should be done. There it is, in all its shiny glory, just needing its red fan, which will get added shortly. And we're ready for our boot with the new fan installed. And all is well. So this machine cost me just under 2,500 rand to build using used parts, only the case was new. The performance it has is on par with the 200 GE. However, I don't think you're going to get a 200 GE for this kind of money. So here is your cheap alternative. I hope you enjoyed the video.